documentary, there was also mention of a 10-volume report that was prepared by the Ministry of Defense. The writer of the report, Colonel Harry Bradford, I believe his name was questioned and grilled, and they were trying to find faults in his report. After that, they all realized that what he was saying about the plane was actually true. After that, they gave it a security classification and they locked it up.
I was having, after my gardening afternoon tea on the Sunday, the 6th of June, my neighbor came crying. Mr. Chua, his name. I said, Chua, what happened to you? He said, Tutu Fuad died, he said. The plane he was traveling in crashed in Simulan. So immediately, I took my shower, rushed to the hospital, and I saw all the mangled bodies. So the only face I could recognize was Dato' Kita Majundin. The rest I could not recognize. I never expected that I would have to see such a sight during my lifetime. Unknown, only then I think the double tragedy will find some form of closure.
I tried to find out what actually happened, and we actually sent some of my friends in Australia to dig the information. Actually, we also tried to extract the file. We were initially excited when we paid the National Archive and we got the file, but in actual fact, 45 pages of the file were missing. I shared the file to Ms. Arida, and we hope that we can get a closure on this matter. Thank you.